What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from South Africa. We're gonna go over our friend Gala games. Big pump. I figured that would happen. The whales would take advantage. I did take a trade. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit TP1 and TP2. I hit all my Gala trades this week. You can get completely free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So Gala games up 13% on the day. We're sitting about 0.045, market cap 1.62 billion, 24-hour volume 807 million. So we saw a nice pump to the upside with whales taking advantage of the dump with the hack. That's what whales do. They wait for fear and then they buy. So potentially you could look at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this 4 is getting deep. If it breaks in the wave 1, we could look at a leading diagonal. It actually doesn't invalidate unless it breaks the wave 2 low, which is at 0.04036. So there is a possibility 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking to push up in a 5 and see continuation to the upside. If we do come down and we break that low of the wave 2, 0.04029, right around there, it would invalidate an impulse to the upside. It simply means the correction is not over. But as I showed you guys yesterday, we could be looking at a WXYXZ correction. Wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, and then looking to continue to the upside. I was showing you guys the descending triangle on the daily. We faked out to the downside, so usually that does mean you'll see continuation to the upside. But of course you need an Ethereum and Bitcoin to continue up for that to happen. Right now they are pulling back a little bit, but money is obviously flowing into alts with the drop in the Bitcoin dominance. So if Bitcoin and Ethereum trend up a little bit higher, we should see Gala games continue back to the upside. That's what I think is likely. But as I mentioned, if we do end up coming all the way down, breaking that wave 2 low, then that's when we can look at a bearish scenario. All right, guys, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. After you make your first deposit, send me an email. It can be $10, $100. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis on many projects, my exact trade setups for crypto, as well as Forex, trading Forex as well. All for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you do not want to go that route, you can sign up through the Patreon link, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up the like button. I'm going to head to the gym. What am I doing today? It's back day today. All right, much love. Take care.